Hi, I'm Rob, and today I'm going to be showing you the Overland Compact by TJ Schwartz. So TJ Schwartz designed the Overland Compact with kind of his passion for overland in mind. So kind of start to finish here, you're looking at a 2 1/4 inch sheep's foot blade. We brought that to you in D2 steel. It's also coated, so you've got kind of that stone wash, that black coating on it. And that's going to make it a lot more corrosion resistant. And that paired with the D2, it's going to also hold up over time, retain that edge while you're out and about and using it. So the handle's G10 on one side with like nice grooves, really grippy, so you're not going to lose it depending on the weather. Flip side is that stainless steel as well, so it's going to hold up over time. You're not going to have corrosion issues. Obviously it has a frame lock, so very sturdy frame lock, very solid as well. You're not going to have that knife close on you. And along with that, we have a pretty sturdy pocket clip, and this one's not going to break anytime soon. It's very robust. So the Overland Compact is actually the little brother to one of TJ's original designs, which is the Overland. And this is based off of one of his custom designs as well. So as you can see, they're very similar in look, but there are some updates to the Overland Compact that, that lend to kind of a smaller knife. So one thing you see right away is the thicker blade. That's going to make it easier to grip. You don't have as much of the tail here to hang on to of the handle, but plenty of room there to really fit in your hand well. Both have that sheep's foot design, really durable materials. Again, you're looking at that G10. You've got the anodized accents to the knife. Both are frame locked as well, so again, very similar to the original. What you'll notice too is kind of that drop blade design, so it makes it really easy if you're in camp and kind of cooking and cutting. And one of the things I really like about it is that kind of recessed handle, as well as the big belly of the blade. Very well put together knife, very easy to manipulate. So if you're looking for that next knife that's going to be compact, stay out of the way, but definitely useful when you need it, this one's going to live up to those expectations. The Overland Compact by TJ Schwartz. Highly recommend it.